My name is Tony Sangronis. I come in to hospital for one operation, the gallbladder. The operation is one big exit of the operation. The hospital, the attention is very, very good. Excellent personnel, all people, all doctors, all nurses. I am too much agradecido for.
I'm grateful.
Grateful for bless you. Thank you very much.
Say how many children you have, how many remaining here, what is your work?
Okay.
I am 11 years here in Erbil. I work in a car group company. I am working in the DCS control operator in car group. It's a good experience come to here. I have two doctors. They all have 27 years and the young have 24 years old.
How find me? How came to me? Tamam?
I came to you because I present the one problem with the gallbladder. I check another doctor, but for condition I can operate in one clinic. And come to hospital for one friend. He told me this hospital is very, very good, more cheap. I come with my friend and check the doctor. After the consult, the decision was operator here.
Okay, my name is Harold Perez and also from Venezuela and friend of Mr. Tony Sangronis. And we came here because we asked for one of our friends, a Kurdish guy here, and he told us this is an excellent hospital and have an excellent treatment for all the patients here. And the doctor is also a very good one. And we choose this hospital because all those characteristics, okay? And right now, after the surgery and after all the things that he did for our friends, okay, we know that everything that our friends told us was right. The hospital is excellent, the treatment is excellent, the surgery was amazing, and also the doctor, it's incredible, it's awesome, okay? And we will recommend it to everyone to come to Mihrabani Hospital, okay, to do every treatment that they want because it's very affordable for the people and it's very nice to be here, okay? Not to be here sick, okay, but it's very nice to be here getting out healthy, okay, from the hospital in just 2 days.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay,
Welcome.
thank you, doctor.
Thank you. Welcome.
Okay.
میهرەبانی دڵسۆزی و لێزانی